In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new table in Airtable. This process is straightforward and user-friendly, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a new table all set up and ready to go for your projects. Let's get started. First, make your way over to the Airtable website. If you haven't already got it bookmarked, you can easily find it with a quick search in your browser. Once the homepage loads up, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page, a simple and familiar way to access your account. Next, it's time to sign into your account. You'll need your email and password handy, unless you're using an account tied to another service like Google, in which case go through that authentication process as you normally would. Once you've entered your credentials, hit continue. This step ensures that your account is secure and ready for creating new tables. With that out of the way, you've now arrived back at the Airtable home screen with all its vibrant and inviting options. Now look for the Create button, which might be at the top of the page or just off to the side. Clicking this will initiate the creation process for your new base table, acting as the canvas for your upcoming work. When prompted with options, you'll see various templates and pre-made tables that you could use. However, for this video, we're focusing on building from scratch. This selection gives you the freedom to craft a base table tailored perfectly to your needs, keeping it simple and quick for learning purposes. You've now made a brand new base table, but a unique and recognizable name will help keep your workspace organized, especially if you have multiple projects going on. So go ahead and click on the name field of your fresh base table and type in a name that captures the essence of the project this table will belong to. The final touch is choosing a color scheme. This bit of customization not only makes your workspace more visually appealing, but also aids in distinguishing different projects at a glance. Browse through the available color schemes and pick one that complements the table's theme or just one that you personally enjoy. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a new table in Airtable. Feel free to delve deeper into Airtable's functionalities, exploring its powerful tools to organize and streamline your work processes further. Thank you for following along, and be sure to check out other tutorials to keep honing your Airtable skills.